Guys, I got a fever! The only prescription is more cowbell.
More cowbell!
Can you give us a little more?
I want to hear a stampede!
That's why they call it a motor, I like it. That is propensity to motorboat every woman he sees. Regardless, let's try this. Take two. Don't fear the Reaper with even more cowbell. Here's what I'm thinking, man. Yeah, exactly. You gotta explore the space. Bring the cowbell to the people. Bring it to the booby cake people. Bring it to the motorheads in the back. That would be fantastic. If you could pull it off, I think it'd be A+. I'm not sure. Let's try exploring the studio space. With even more cowbell. Take it to the top. Let's try this again. This is the third and hopefully final take. Don't fear the Reaper. Guys, he's turning 29. Let's give him some encouragement.
Mortar, get the gut to it.
They really put it all in there, right? Look at that.
Bring it all back home now.
Well, it's got a mustache.